People have been arriving all afternoon.
I'm sorry. I was just around the island. I just lost track of time.
Well, okay. Don't you remember? Tonight's the last night of my freedom. The last night before the greatest adventure of my life.
And you know how I said I wanted to find my father?
We have been over this a million times. You don't need a father. You have a family.
And you'll never leave me, right?
Are you kidding? You have turned the world upside down.
I wasn't jealous before we met. Now every man that I see is a potential threat. And I'm possessive, it is nice. You've heard me say that smoking was my only vice. Now it isn't true. Now everything is new. And all that was has overturned. I beg of you. Don't go wasting your emotion. Lay all your love on me. It was like shooting a sitting duck. A little small talk, a smile, and baby, I was stuck. I still don't know what you've done to me. I've grown up full, but you never fall so easily. See the kind of feeling when I don't have you near. Satisfied, this is my pride. I beg you, dear. Don't go wasting your emotion. Lay all your love on me. Don't go sharing your devotion. Lay all your love on me. Don't go wasting your emotion. Lay all your love sharing your
Mamaya na magpahinga ka konti. Ay nako. Yan ka na naman eh. Yung kamay mo. Ilas ka naman. Ubusin mo na nga lang. Yun, tubig. Wala nang takip.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sophie's Bridal Shower Party. And presenting for one night and one night only, the world's first girls power band, Donna and the Dynamos.
Super trooper lights are gonna find me, but I won't feel blue like I always do. 'Cause somewhere in the crowd there's you.
Maingay na.
Where's Mom? I have 3 possible fathers.
I'm sorry, my love. I'm so sorry. I'm kind of okay. I'm sorry. Are you okay?
Yeah, fine.
Last night, you and Sky, what's wrong?
I don't know what to do.
You don't have to do anything. It's not too late. I can still cancel the wedding.
What? Cancel the wedding?
Sophie, isn't that what you want?
No, Mom. That's what you want.
No, Sophie.
You just have no idea. You never had a wedding.
You know, I don't know how you could say that to me now. I really don't.
Because I love Sky and I wanted to be with him.
Well, honey, if it's what... Well, good. Great.
And I don't want my children growing up not knowing who their father is because it's a crap!
Galing-galing yun. Yan na si Ninang. Si Ninang pala bakla.
What are you doing here, Sam?
Here, I don't help me.
That's all right. Just deal my own disaster.
So why did you tell me it was Sophie getting married?
Hindi naman yun si Ninang
Well,
eh.
I didn't think it was any of your business.
Why is she getting married? Settling down the island, I mean, if it was up to me, I'd be telling her to go, get a life.
Yeah.
How are you, Donna?
Magugulat
What
din
kind
silang
of question
dalawa.
is that?
Because I just missed you.
What are you saying with stop?
Donna, don't you remember the days that we spent on this place before?
Told you.
Sam, this is nonsense.
Uy,
Nonsense, okay.
They seem so hard to find. I tried to reach you, but you have closed your mind. Whatever happened to our love? I wish I understood. It used to be so nice, it used to be so good. So when you hear me calling, can't you hear me? SOS. The love you gave me, nothing else can save me. SOS.
Si Donna yan.
What happened to our love? It used to be so good. Oh, when you hear me, darling, can't you hear me? SOS. My love, you gave me nothing else to save me. SOS. When you're gone, how can I even try to go on? When you're gone, will I try? How can I carry on?
Wow, ang galing.
Wala si Nina.
Ayun o. Kikita ko si Nina.
Dismiss.
Hi! I have something.
Hindi pala.
Kamatis.
What's the matter? You have to help me. What? What's happened? I've done something crazy. All my dads are here for our wedding, and they all think they're giving me away.
All your what?
I read Mom's diary. I have 3 possible partners.
But how are they here now?
I invited them. And I thought I would know my dad
Uy,
right away,
malaglag ka.
but I didn't.
Mayos ka.
I just have no idea. And now, Mom is going to kill
Sumandal
me.
ka lang.
And they're going to hate me. And you?
Wait, we invited this guy and you didn't tell me?
No, I thought you would try to stop me.
So this is what this big white wedding all about? Finding your dad?
No, no. It's about knowing who I am.
Labi.
And I want to get married knowing who I am.
So this doesn't come from finding your dad. So it
See,
comes
that's me.
from finding yourself. And the irony is, I was struggling to find myself. And I put everything on hold for you because I love you and I wanted what you wanted. But now, I don't know.
You don't know if you love me?
Of course I love you. I wish you had told me.
Natatawa yung babae, di ba?
Yan na si Nana. Yan na. Yung sneaker mo din.
Johnny Bravo. Power match.
Magkasal sila, di ba?
Maingay na.
Parang sofa.
Yan na nagbihis si Doc. Parang boom.
Will you help me?
Magbibihis rin yan? Ha? Ha?
School bag in hand, she leaves home in the early morning, waving goodbye with an absent-minded smile. I watch her go with a surge of that well-known sadness, and I have to sit down for a while. The feeling that I'm losing her forever, and without really entering the world, I'm glad when I can share her laughter and funny little slipping through my fingers all the time. I try to capture every minute, the feeling in it, slipping through my fingers all the time. Do I really see what's in her mind each time I think I'm close to you see what's in her mind. Each time I think I'm close to knowing, she keeps on growing, slipping through my fingers all the time.
Do you think I'm letting you down?
Why would you even think that?
But that's not what you've done. I mean, the diamonds, raising a kid, and running a business all on your own.
Well, please. You didn't have a choice, you know.
Mama, gabi na kaya ta eh.
My mother told me not to bother
Hapon na?
Mabasa ka.
Ito pala
Will
lagay.
you give me away?
Sometimes I wish that I could freeze the future and save it from the funny tricks of time slipping through my fingers. School bag in hand, she leaves home in the early morning, waving goodbye with an absent-minded smile.
Manood ka lang, Bing. Ingay mo.
Nagpaparina siya? Andiyan na si Mama.
Nakasal na sila. Maingay, lalabas din yung ninang. Hindi na.
I need to talk to you about his giving Sophie away.
That would be me.
But what about her dad?
Her dad is not here.
It's what she wants. She told me she wants her father here. And what if her father wants that too?
Sam, please don't do this now. Please, not now.
Come on, at least listen to me. This is about us.
I don't want to talk about things we've gone through, though it's hurting me. Now it's history. I've played all my cards,
Walang dim-dim
and
si
that's
Donna.
what you've done too. Nothing more to say, no more ace to play. The winner takes it all, the loser standing small
Asawa niya rin yan.
beside the victory. That's her destiny.
Ba't
I
ano
was in
babae?
her arms, thinking I belonged there. I figured it made sense,
Kakanta rin yan si
building
James
me a
Bond. Ang asawa
fence,
ni Donna.
building me a home, thinking I'd be strong there, but I was a fool, playing by the rules. The gods may throw the dice, their minds as cold as ice. There's someone way down here, losing someone dear. But when I take you all, the loser has to fall. It's simple as why should I complain?
Nakayata eh. Oh.
Gwapo. Ang ganda niya.
Kasal na sila?
Oh, magpapakasal sila mamaya.
Dalawang babae.
May mumu na.
Lalabas dyan si
Asan mo? Sandal ka na. Tataog ka dyan.
Iwan si Donna. Alam ko sino yung dumating.
Na-late si Donna.
Dalawa sila.
And welcome to Sophie's dad. He's here. I know! I invited him. You couldn't have to. I don't know which one it is. What? I don't care if you slept hundreds of times.
Ang ganda niya. Cute naman ni Ninong.
Maingay.
Sophie may be mine, but she may be built for Harry's home.
Yeah, that's right. And don't get all outright with me, because you have no one but yourself to blame.
Yeah. And had just left your mom and then married somebody else. Hey, wait a minute. I had to go home. I was engaged and I told Ray I couldn't marry her, and I came right back.
You came back? Why didn't you call me?
Because I was crazy enough to think that you would be waiting for me. They told me you were off with some other guy. So Lorraine called me
Salarin
and married me to her.
si Donna, no?
Sorry.
Hold on. You're the first girl I ever loved. Well, actually,
Ay, bakla.
Well, we can find out if you want, but
Sasabatin naman yung isa.
being the third of your dart is great by
Baklo
me.
na nga lang. Sasabat pa yung isa.
By me too. I take a third.
Sasabat rin yung isa. Kay Ninang.
You know,
Ang daming
I
ama.
have no clue which one of you is my dad.
Pati yun, no?
But I don't mind.
Yung ano, brown.
Let's just not get married yet.
What?
You never wanted this anyway. I know that. Let's just leave this island and see the world. Okay? Alright?
Of course, baby. I really love you.
Bakla pala yung isa.
Si Ninang naman.
Sininang mo bakla.
Bakla na si Ninang.
Oo, bakla siya.
Sila? Si Donna.
Hang on! One way
Si
to
Nina.
Wait! You're going to need someone to go around in these islands of yours.
Sam,
Natatawa si Ninang
are you
sa
crazy?
kagandahan.
I'm a divorced man who lived here for 21 years. And ever since the day I came on this island, I've been trying to tell you how much I love you. Come on, Donna. Only the best of your life.
Pati yung
Yung parang ring sumasayaw. Tama na yung tubig. Tama na yung tubig. Babasa ka mo.
And I think you know when. So I made up my mind it was come to an end. Now, will I ever
salamat po sa second batch na nanonood ng Mama Mia. Thank you so much po. Thank you teachers, admin. Salamat.